Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick mini vlog. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I relocated from Jamaica and I'm now in the Cayman Islands, and I promise you guys I'm going to show you what Cayman has to offer. So today I am going to be doing a quick fishing vlog for you guys. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm hoping to catch some fish today, and I want you to experience it with me. I'm currently at West Bay. This is this place in the Cayman Islands, West Bay, and this is the turtle farm to be exact. Alright, so if you want to see what this video is all about and if I catch any fish or not, you got to stay tuned. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm taking a quick refresher before I start my fishing. Alright, before I start fishing, so this is what I'm having. It's Mama Chia and it's raspberry passion. I'm not sure if you guys ever had this before. It's good. It's not for everybody. It is an acquired taste, but I kind of like it. I like the chia seeds in it. So I'm gonna have to jump this wall. This is what I'm gonna have to do. Jesus. Alright guys, so I just had to jump up on this big ass wall. I do not like height, so I'm gonna have to try to find my way down. But this is it. Mercy, the sun is sunning and I didn't even bring a hat. I wasn't fully prepared like I thought, man. Alright, so I'm gonna have to get down from here, guys. There's a lot of rocks, so this is where I'm going to jump down. See, I have my bag there already. Oh God, managed to get down. Oh jeez. So there are already people here fishing. This is a well-known fishing spot. One thing about the sun in Cayman, like, it's different from Jamaica. I'm not sure if it's because there's no mountain here, there are no rivers here, but trust me, it is really hot. Like the sun, it stings you. It literally stings you. Ugh. Don't try this at home, guys. There are a lot of rocks. I don't think I like this area for fishing. I might not come back here. It all depends. If I manage to catch some big fish or some good ones, then I might. But if not, I definitely will not, because there are too many rocks here. Oh, I see like a school of fish right here. They're very small, but there's like a school. Oh wow, look at that. I hope you guys can see it properly. The water is so clear. And they're like little crabs. There are lots of fishes here where I'm standing.
All right.
You better let me get my my line so I can start throwing. I saw one just now. It was huge. So guys, there are too many rocks here. I am not able to put my phone down where you guys can see what I'm doing, but if I catch any, I will show you. Okay, there is a huge one in the water that I am going to be focusing my attention on trying to get.
Yeah, let's try it again. Watch out. Jesus Christ.
So this is this is all that I have right now. I'm gonna throw this back into the water because it's so small, but this is it. I'm sorry.
Am I picking?
Alright guys, so I got another one. This one I'm not throwing it back. It's way bigger than the first one. But this is the second catch. The first one I threw back, as you can see, but this one I'm definitely gonna be keeping it.
The one that for sure I will keep. Hold on, they want to give water?
You're getting smart.
What? Wait, that one is.
So this is my third catch. This is my third catch. I feel like he's a bit small though, but yeah. So guys, I only managed to catch 3 fishes. I threw one back in the water because I thought it was too small, and I'm taking home 2. But this is the end of my little mini vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to share, like, comment in the comment section to interact with your girl. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a foe, and make sure to turn your post notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support so far. Remember to subscribe. Bye.